All right, guys, welcome back to There's no aftermarket support for my car, so I'm back in their driveway doing shit to their cars. Because otherwise I would have zero f***ing content, so thank you.
You're welcome.
Best intro ever, I swear to God.
Welcome back to the man. I wish I could do this, but nobody makes it. But that's okay. That's the fun part.
Welcome back to another episode of F*** My Life. What's up, guys? My name is Mark, and welcome back to another episode of Pimp Someone Else's Ride. Oh my God, I want to commit suicide.
Side of soup of side.
Super salad. That's old trunk because it's white.
We don't like that here.
Wait. I don't feel safe.
Wait a minute.
Wait. And then this is black. They said this takes how long? 2 hours?
Apparently, this is the most labor-intensive thing I've done so far. Is put this fucking trim piece on.
They said this takes 2 hours, but they've never met the man named Chris Johnson before.
It might not be perfect, but it'll be on there.
They said my alternator was a 4-hour job. 2 hours later, it's in.
The dealership said it was a 4-hour job. Midas said it was 5.8, 5.6. You got to pull this front subframe and pull the radiator out and take the cooling fans out and blah 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 blah. Yada yada yada. No, you don't. It's like you can just get your ginormous hands in there.
What did you say, punk? Big, meaty claws!
So I don't understand why that's a freaking problem for anybody else.
Honestly, the most labor-intensive thing for doing my alternator was having my fucking radiator break and then having to do that, and that totaling 4 hours.
The sides, like one on each side of this trim piece, are broken. Yeah, I mean, he probably broke them when he was taking them off, to be honest. It still has bolts on it, so we shouldn't have to worry about it. But if it flies off and you call VIS, it's probably going to be like $600 for a 2-foot-long singular sheet piece of carbon. Get rid of this heavy-ass shit. To the parts porch. Oh, seriously, there's tires, 4 bumpers, 3 bumpers, exhaust boxes, a diffuser, a mattress, a free queen-size mattress. It's apparently really comfortable.
Then why is it out here?
I got it yesterday. There's 2 really nice Asian people we did a roof for in a country club, and they said, "Oh, can we put mattress in dumpster?" And I said, "I don't think they take that." And they said, oh, somebody else said they do, that you can take it for us. So I said, okay. So I was going to take it to the dump, but she was like, oh, it's only like 3 years old or 2 years old. My daughter slept on it when she was home from college, and it's like an $800 mattress. These motherfuckers just wanted to throw it away. That you have to pay to do, by the way. Almost everywhere you go, you have to pay whoever you're taking it to get rid of it. All right, so what do I need to do?
Got a plastic on there? Drop it right now. Heart attack city.
Sank.
Phone lighting.
Ooh. For off-road use only. Hood pins required for safety purposes.
Wait, what?
Hood pins on trunk
Hood pin.
are required for safety purposes.
I mean, slap some on there. Everybody will be really confused, but like, fuck it. You can tell everybody that you're the only car guy to use the instruction manual. You're one of one.
You know what's nice? That bottom piece, since it's only held on by adhesive, there's no holes there. So if you wanted to, you could leave it off. See what it looks like without it on there. I didn't notice that. There's no holes there. That trim piece, she took all the adhesive off.
Oh.
So like on the stock trunk, that sits like right at the bottom for some reason. But on this one, it's just molded and that just slaps on top. So it might even look good without it being on there.
I can't wait to put it on.
You can't wait for me
I can't wait for you to put
to
it
put
on.
it on. Bitch.
I'm gonna help you lift.
He said, I'm not
I mean,
getting...
not that you need it, but I'm gonna help you get it onto these brackets and hold it in the place that it needs to be. I think that's pretty helpful.
He said, I'm not doing this without my f***ing credit.
You go in that hole, and you go in this one, and then we pull a little bit, pull the rubber part. Yeah.
Oh my god, it fit like shit. What the f? What did I do wrong? Wait a minute. No, do the taillights go under that a little bit? Is that what I'm doing wrong here? That's interesting. That would have been nice to know. That's weird. That might look cool though. Hold on. Wait a minute.
I would assume the lights would not be sticking out.
I don't know. I mean, I think I legit screwed this together upside down. How the f I did that? Why do the screws line up? How does that make sense? How did I do this? Because it lines up on the
Oh my gosh.
Get back on there. That sound, dude. that. Just VIS stuff always looks so good too. Like the weave and everything, and the clear coat's always nice. And hopefully it actually fits. Shout out to Fly One. Never fits. Ever. Oh, yeah, they really don't line up, do they? He said, you know how like you can get a trunk in any different country? Like if somebody from wherever, Europe, ordered this, it'd be sent from the same warehouse and from the same plant that makes them, so they don't put the holes in the right spot apparently. So one of them is, and then he said the other one he just 3M taped. But I can't tell.
Yeah, that's not good.
I can't tell if really either of these are in the right spot, because this looks like the middle and they're not in the right spot at all. Sorry, by the way, you can't put your license plate on your car. We didn't think about that, but now you have to fix that problem. Oh, thanks. That's nice. Rachel, holdy, trunky. Can't shut it yet. Oh.
Ooh, Chris.
Bobby farted.
Oh, why am I back here? Why didn't nobody say anything? He farted, and I walked back there, and they let me.
I can do that.
And they let me.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wait, hold on. Why won't it open? You hit the button.
Ah.
Okay, it works. I think the car was locked or something.
One more time.
One more time. It fits pretty fucking good if I'm being honest.
Look at this thing. Look at that. That's beautiful. And we're not talking about Chris this time.
Aw. You get the whole trunk and
still
not
really
just the
pretty.
gay ass upper lip thing. Just imagine when it's not all scratched up and shit. Homie probably cleaned his car with a steel wool pad. Just nobody cares for some reason.
Oh, so good.
What?
Yeah, hold your light there. I like it.
So the trunk's a little scratched.
Just a smidge.
Just a smidge.
We're gonna see if this does anything, but knowing me, it probably won't because I suck at this.
Somehow still has the tools for it though.
Oh, this is amazing. It's like now I have to get a hatch.
That-
I literally have to.
Oh.
I can't let her be doing this to me. The nice thing is hopefully I could sell that wing for half the cost of the hatch, maybe if the right person wants to buy it.
I'll take it. I'll put it.
Shit.
I'll put
I mean, we can make it work.
Thing, guys. Just that on the LS.
Yes.
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 Once I have some you money. What else? Just carbon fiber and everything, you know?
No, you said you want to get skirts, Nick. I think there's somebody that makes the bumpers, but nobody makes doors or quarter panels because the quarter panel's part of the car.
Right.
But they do make quarter panel cards, like covers that sit on it and you just rivet it in. But not for this. They make them for Z's and G's and all that shit. So somebody needs to hop on that so we can get them. The crazy thing would be is that unless they send it in pieces, it would have to be all this, all of that, goes all the way down here, and then goes the entire length of the car up to the fender. Honestly, I think without doing anything else super extensive, just the skirts would be like,
Yeah.
You know how they say like opposites attract?
mm-hmm.
She uses carbon fiber for weight reduction. You got your shit.
Gotta keep those things on me. But other than that,
Mountain Dew.
other than that,
Oh my god.
the seat gone,
Oh my.
the spare tire gone. You know, the little foam pieces that weigh like 0.68 ounces are gone.
All of 2 pounds is gone from the
'Cause
car.
I have to do all of this to be competitive, apparently.
We got the carbon fiber trunk on successfully. Now it's time to head back home. I'll catch y'all later, and I appreciate you guys for sticking around again. And we just keep it pushing, baby. All right, y'all take it easy. Love every single one of y'all. Peace.